Second place winner is going home with 10,000 pesos in cash. And our champion is going home with a slam jam machine.
Yung mismong machine yan.
And finally, our third place winner. Congratulations to Mr. Efren Flaminia for our third place winner. 5,000 pesos in cash.
Galing ng Cebu.
Please join me here on stage.
Galing pa ng Cebu yan.
Okay, and of course, to award our champion, we would like to call on some very special guests, Mr. Raymond Sarmiento and Mr. Juman Salvacion, representing Pepsi. Please join me here on stage, Mr. Raymond and Mr. Juman. And to award us also, to help us award also, can we ask our special guests from the PBA and the NCAA to join us on stage? Mr. Chris Newsom, Mr. William Navarro, Benedict Adamos, and Prince Carlos, please join us on stage for the awarding of the champion.
Galing ni Prin. Lumayo pa galing Cebu. Siyempre, no, shoutout, galing Cebu yan.
Wow naman! Wow! Wow!